Good morning, dear students. In the last class we studied how to divide two-digit number by a single-digit number. Then today we are going to study how to divide three-digit number by a single-digit number. For that, before that, division of three-digit number by a single-digit number. For that I wrote 4 questions. First one 488 divided by 4. Then the next one 657 divided by 9. Okay, first time we are dividing with 9. No? Then third question 148 divided by 4. Then fourth question 707 divided by 7. Okay, we can start with the first question. It's 488 divided by 4. Then 488 divided by 4. Okay, we can give small gap in between the digits. For this, we want the multiplication table of 4. Then, is it possible to divide 4 by 4? Yes, because both are equal. Both are equal or greater than the divisor, we can divide. Okay, then for that we can write the multiplication table of 4. It's 4 ones are 4. Then 4 ones are 4. We got 4 now. How much time? It's 1. So in the above of 4 we want to write 1 and here it's a 4. Okay, then what to do? 4 minus 4, it's a 0. Then what is the next step? We can write the next digit down. It's 8. Then what to do next? We want to divide this 8 by 4. It's possible because 8 is greater than 4. Then the table of 4, we can continue. It's 4 into 2 is 8. Then 4 into 2, the correct 8 we got. 4 into 2 is 8. So 2 in the above of the 8 and here 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. Then what to do next? Subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Then this 0 we don't want to write down because 0, 0 means it's 0 itself. Then what to do? We have one more digit is there, that's 8. That we want to write down. So it's 8. Okay, then 8 divided by 4. The same. What answer we will get? We will get 2. So it's 8. Then again subtraction, it's 0. Okay. Then when we divide 488 by 4, we got the quotient as 122 and remainder equal to 0. Clear? Now we can go to the second question. You want to write all these into your notebook. Okay. Then the second question 657 divided by 9. So 657 divided by 9. 657 divided by 9. Here we want the multiplication table of 9. So first we can check, is it possible to divide 6 by 9? No. Why? 6 is less than 9, so we can't divide. In that case, what we will do? We will take the next digit also. It's 65. Then 65 we can divide with 9 because 65 is greater than 9. Okay. For this, we need the multiplication table of 9. So we can write the table inside. It's 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18 and 3s are 27, 9 fours are 36, then 9 fives are 45, then 9 6 are Okay. Then here for the multiplication table of 9 there is an easy way. Okay, what is this? It's 9 ones are 9. Okay, then here it's 0 9 is 9, then here it's after 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that it will go. Then here it is 9, then 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, then which will come here 9 into 9, it will increase 8 and here it will reduce to 1. Okay, that is the easy way to write the multiplication table of 9. I will tell you once again, it's 9 ones are 9, so we can consider as 0 9. After that 0, it's increased. The first digit is increasing, it's 1 2 3 4 like that it will go. Then the next digit it will go in the descending order, that's 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 like that. Okay, then okay, here we want 65. In the multiplication table of 9, 65 is there? No. 63 is there. After that 72. 72 is more than 65. We don't want that value. Then which one we can take? We can take 63. Because 65 is not there, then the nearest value is 63. Okay, nearest is small value. So 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens. So the quotient is 7. Where we want to write? Here in the up of 6 or here 5. Above 6 or above 5. We want to write above of 5. Okay, then here it's 7. Here 63. Then we want to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, then we don't want to write 0 here. Then next digit we can write down, it's 7. 9 into which number gives 27? The table of 9, 27 is there? Yes, here it is. 9 into 3 is 27. So here it's 3 is 27. So after subtracting we will get 0 0. It means it's 0 itself. Okay, there is no digit after 7, so we can stop here. Then the answer is 657 divided by 9. It's equal to 73. Then remainder equal to 0. Okay. Now we can go to the third question. It's 148 divided by 4. 148 divided by 4. Okay, then here 1, it's not possible to divide by 4 because 1 is smaller than 4. Then we can go to the next digit also. It's 14. 14 is divisible by 4 because 14 is greater than 4. Okay, for this we want the multiplication table of 4. It's 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Here it is 14. In the table of 4, 14 is not there. 16 is there. Okay, 16 is more than 14. So we don't want that value. Then which we will take? We will take 12. Then 4 into 3 is 12. So where we want to write 3? Up of this 4. Okay, 3 times how much it is? 12. Okay, we will take the value lesser than this 14. Okay, then what to do next? We want to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, then here we don't want to write 0. Then here we want to write the next digit down. Then 28 divided by 4. It's possible 28 is greater than 4. So we can continue the table. 4 5s are 7s are 28. Okay, in the table of 4, 28 is there. 4 into 7 is 28. So we can write this 7 in the up. It's 28. Then 28 minus 28, it's 0. Or 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, it's 0. Okay, then 148 divided by 4, it's equal to 37. And remainder equal to 0. Okay, now you know the spelling of remainder. Okay, so the third one answer. Okay, then we can go to the fourth question. Is it clear now? You want to write all these into your notebook. Then how you can study this division, I will tell you. First, when you are watching this video, you want to write all these things into your notebook. After that you want to write the question in your rough book. Okay, then close the notebook and do yourself. Then after getting the answer, open your notebook and check it, the answer is correct or not. Okay, the same questions you want to write and study into your rough book. Then the fourth question, 707 divided by 7. Okay, 707 divided by 7. Here 7 is divisible by 7, both are equal. So 7 into 1 equal to 7. Okay, here 1, 7. The next step is subtraction. 7 minus 7 is 0. Then what is the next step? We want to write the next digit down. It's 0. Then here we can say like that, 7 into 0 is 0. Then otherwise 7 we can't divide by 7, so how we can write? We can give a 0. Otherwise 7 into which number? 0 gives 0, so that's 0 we can write here. Okay, then what to do next? It's both are 0, so we can write the next digit also down. It's 7. 7 in 7, how many times? 1 time, so it's 7. Okay, then subtract 7 minus 7, it's 0. Okay, there is no digit, so we can stop here. Then 707 divided by 7 equal to, the quotient is 101 and remainder it's equal to 0. Clear?